Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going to do something really fun. Hubby has bought me some shiitake mushroom spores. So we are actually at my cousin's property right now because he has a lot of down trees that we can actually get to. So we are going to go looking around his mountain for a really nice log that we can go ahead and then cut up to take to our homestead and get ready to place some shiitake mushroom spores inside of it. So let's start looking around and see if we can find any nice logs up here in the mountains. Alright, so we found one that is already partially down right here. Hubby's gonna go up there and actually cut it a little bit more. We brought the side-by-side with us and it has a winch, so we're gonna go ahead and attach it to that and see if we can pull it down, and then we can cut it up into the pieces that we need. So he's got the chainsaw, he's gonna head up there and start cutting it down, and I'm gonna back up the side-by-side and get it ready so we can pull it down. Well, that was really cool, and definitely that winch comes in handy. Good thing we have that side-by-side. Well, we had to come back home to pick up the truck because it was just too much wood to fit in the back of the side-by-side. So hubby's going up to get the keys right now, and then we'll head back in the truck. All right, friends, so we are down in our creek on the south side of our property, and this is where we went ahead and put those logs that we cut up. Let me show you what hubby decided to do, and I'm going to go ahead and start placing some mushroom spores into each of these logs that we have here. Alright, friends, so here are the shiitake mushrooms that hubby got me. These are spores. There's 100 in these bags, and they're going to take about a year before we see any mushrooms from them. So that is what they look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drill a bunch of holes into these logs, and then you're going to place these inside those drilled holes. And we're just going to let it go for 1 year, and this time next year we should be able to come up here and see a ton of mushrooms growing on these logs. You want to make sure you have these logs in a cool, wet area. So shaded, wet area. This is right along the creek. It's always going to have a lot of moisture over here due to the creek, and then it being in the shade, the humidity is going to be high over here. So this will be a perfect spot to grow some shiitake mushrooms. So we've got 100 of these that we're going to go ahead and put in both these logs right now. So let me go ahead and get started. Look at what I just found. Somebody's been hunting up here. Don't know how old this is, but looks a little rusty. Alright, friends, so I'm all done. I was able to get all 100 spores into both of these log chairs that we made, or these log houses that we made for our mushrooms. So this time next year, we will be hunting for some shiitake mushrooms. So hopefully it turns out good, because I love me some mushrooms. Really do. And we've had no success up here looking for morel mushrooms. Hubby said that he bought me some morel mushroom spores, and those should be coming later on this week. We'll have to do some research on how to properly propagate those, or how to properly sow those out to where we'll get some good morel mushrooms next year. So I'll bring you along on that video when I get those and we decide to go ahead and place them out. So friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all's well, and have a blessed day.